Selling on Sofi is a straightforward process that allows individuals to monetize their skills and expertise by creating and selling online courses. To get started, create a Sofi account by providing basic information such as name, email address, and password. Once the account is created, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Create a Course button. The next step is to define the course topic, title, and description. Choose a topic that is in demand and has a clear target audience. The title should be attention-grabbing and descriptive, while the description should provide an overview of what the course will cover. Add relevant keywords to the course title and description to improve visibility in search results. After defining the course, create a course outline and add lessons. The course outline should be well structured and easy to follow, with each lesson building on the previous one. Use a variety of formats such as video, text, and images to make the course engaging and interactive. Add quizzes and assessments to test students' knowledge and understanding. Once the course is created, set a price and determine the course format. Sofi offers various pricing options, including one-time payments and subscription-based models. Choose a pricing option that aligns with the course content and target audience. Determine the course format, such as self-paced or instructor-led, and set a schedule for course delivery. To promote the course, use Sofi's built-in marketing tools, such as email marketing and social media integration. Create a sales page that showcases the course benefits and features, and use compelling headlines and calls to action to encourage sales. Utilize external marketing channels, such as Facebook and Instagram, to reach a wider audience. Finally, track course performance using Sofi's analytics tool. Monitor course sales, student engagement, and feedback to identify areas for improvement. Use this data to refine the course content and marketing strategy, and to create new courses that meet the needs of the target audience. By following these steps and best practices, individuals can successfully sell their courses on Sofi and achieve their goals.